In this video, we're going to take you from a project building novice to an expert. Using the tips, tricks, and shortcuts we'll highlight in the next few minutes, you'll be able to level up your Mint skills and streamline your processes. In Mint, events are the building blocks of products and projects. Because they're so important, there are 4 different ways to create events. You're probably familiar with the New button and the right-click option. If you want to quickly define start, end, and duration, right-click and drag to activate the lasso tool. You can also instantly recreate already filled-in properties by using the copy function. To quickly edit all these events we created, use the Select All. And then, when you're done, the Deselect option. The toolbar is also one of the places to quickly find the Delete button. When working with a day with multiple events, you may want to zoom in and focus only on a day or two. In the toolbar, you can find 2 buttons that will instantly take you to the start or end of a project. Once done with the maximized view, you can use either the zoom out button or the show all button to return to an overview of the whole project. To further streamline your project view, you can decrease the scale, which is the amount of time shown on the left-hand side. This is helpful if, for example, you're only working with events that happen between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. You can also change the grid, which defines how much time an event will change when dragging an event on the Gantt. For example, if set to 60 minutes, the event will move in 60-minute intervals. Did you know you can allow or disallow parallel events with a single click? If you'd like to see information like start, end, and duration for each event, turn on hints and hover over an event. From this drop-down, you can also toggle on a cursor line, which will help you when moving and selecting events. You can also adjust the opacity of events when selecting a user schedule rule or a continuity, easily showing at a high level which events have associated user schedule rules or continuities. Moving on to slot groups, did you know you can edit multiple event assignment properties at the click of a button? For example, you can select all human slot groups and define that these roles can be attended remotely. You can also view and filter qualified resources and then assign them to empty slot groups. Lastly, for slot groups, you can filter assigned resources by slot group type. This is a quick way to clear away physical resources when you need to focus on slot groups like trainee and instructor. When you open a project, you'll quickly see the resources that are assigned. The system will validate those assignments and update the resource list with a green, yellow, or red Q after it has validated the eligibility, making it simple for you to see if any ineligible or conflicts exist with any of the resource assignments. For our final tip, let's move away from the project structure and onto product preferred periods. From this tab, you can specify general time periods within which you need the project to take place and give them priorities. For more information on products and projects, visit your Mint manual.